ko na sa Ang ganong kalagayan, gusto ko laging tagayan. Bakit di mo ko damayan, halika ako'y tagayan. At isa ko'y malasing, at tuluyang magpranay. Pag natulog ako neng, sana di na magising. Ayoko na ganto, ayoko na ganyan. Ayoko nang makita, baka lalong masaktan. Ayoko umiyak, upos na aluwa ko. Kaya paalam na mahal ako na alayan.
Ito sana tatapang luka ko, kering gande pagku, kaluburan daka kasi agya sanang mimiwas ko, lalo mamanasakit ko, kaluburan daka. Uy, come on.
The feeling within this tune, you could be feeling the feeling too. You could be so in L-O-V-E-D-T, she has a point. This girl has got this kid's out, but this kid has not got hers. Somebody else already took it just because he had came first. But I'm not just gonna stay here, I do nothing I do about it. I don't shout shit, I write lyrics, go to studio or I come out there. She said he loves her so much, but mine is times 1,000. Rhymes I could write a dream and sing to her up on the mountain. I had a vision of me and I'm married now, I can't get over her. I don't know why, won't leave my mind is supernatural good. In fact, you know what, yo, I think she's a name. I really want us to be together, but I don't think I'm able to. Anything is possible, I like her more than myself. I like her and it's distracting me and also my health. I can't sleep well, cause I'm always thinking of her. I can't sit down and relax, cause I'm waiting for my turn.
Ito sana